Hello students, today we will do another activity. You can choose any glass from your home, watercolors of your choice which are easily available at your home, and the ingredient that we left with from the ocean layers, that is maida solution, vegetable oil solution, and the water solution, means water with blue color. So we will use these three solutions to make a floating candle. So choose the glass of your choice and add maida solution in it like this. And now I'm going to do an interesting thing. What is it? I'm going to paint the glass. Yes, I know you will enjoy this. So draw a painting of your choice with your colors which are easily available at your home. Students, remember one thing, that we can also make the floating candle in the ocean layer glass, but in that we have to remove the uppermost layer, that is the hand sanitizer layer that we have made with the hand sanitizers, and the layer was a sunlight layer. We have to remove that layer, or you can keep the glass as it is for some hours. After some hours, the hand sanitizer will get evaporated, and then you can glow a candle in it. Now I am painting and I make a coconut tree on the glass. You can draw any painting of your choice. Now add the water solution in the glass, and last I will add vegetable oil solution. To increase the level of the solution in the glass, I will add some more water solution in it. I am repeating again that you have to remove the uppermost layer that we have made with the hand sanitizer in the ocean layer glass, or you can keep the glass as it is for some hours so that the hand sanitizer get evaporated, and then we can use the same glass. Or now you can choose the another glass and paint the glass. Now you can see the three layers are there, and coconut tree is also there. The glass is looking very beautiful. How I increase the solution, the level of the glass, by adding the white color in the water. You can give any shade to the solution of your choice. It's up to you. You can choose any colors, you can choose any brush. Now take a cardboard piece in the circular form and make a hole at the center. Now take a red wick, that is also known as molly. The molly is easily available at our home, and tie a knot of it. Apply some oil to the red wick like this. Now take the cardboard piece and now pass it to the other side of the cardboard. Remember, you have to apply the oil to the red wick or the molly so that it easily catch the fire, and place it in the glass like this. Yes, it is looking very beautiful. Now glow the candle. As I said, you can also choose the ocean layer glass, and you can also make the floating candle in another glass. Here the glass in which we have made the ocean layers, the 5 layers, and here you can see my upper layer of hand sanitizer get evaporated. And now I am also using this glass for the floating candle. These all things are easily available in our home, so you can try this activity at your home. Make the ocean layers as well as the floating candle and make the videos and send to the group. Be careful while making the floating candle. You have to remove the uppermost layer. Thank you so much, students. Have a nice day.